Okay, we are here now in the forward mast, and I'm going to replace this forward mast navigation lamp on upper portion. So as you can see, we are now at anchorage here at Port Brazil. On the top is the anchor lights, and the bottom we have the steering light. We have the port protector lamp, that is the mercury type lamp, and on the lower portion we have two halogen lamp used for windlass anchor mooring winches operation. Around us you can see that we have also here two bollards. This is my ship. Guys, in here I have this PATSI collision regulation rules 20-31. According to this, mast headlight should have a white light with angle of projection about 225 degrees. And also it's stated here that it should have at least 6 nautical miles. That is the specification for our mast headlight in forward and in aft. And in here, the side light navigation lamp, angle of projections for the red for the port side and green on the starboard side. It should have at least 112.5 degrees. Also stated that the navigation lamp side light should have at least visibility about 3 nautical miles. So I just summarize here that there is angle of projection. For the stern light, it should have at least 135 degrees. For side light, green, starboard, red, port side, it has 112.5 degrees. For anchor light, it should have 360 degrees round, white, and masthead, at least it has 225 degrees. That are those differences of the stern light, side light, anchor light, and masthead forward. And also, it's stated here that stern lights and anchor light should have at least 40 watts light bulb, either E27 or P28S, and the stern light and masthead light located on forward and aft should have at least 60 watts lamp. So as electrician or ETO, ETR on board, we must need to familiarize also ourselves on this matter. And also I have here the list of IMPA code number. Stern light 370424, side light 370421, 0422, anchor light 370426, and masthead light, it has 370421 or 370428. So that is one of the most important thing that we need to consider when we are maintaining a navigation lamp. Tawag dyan sa kaibigan ko, ayun, trabaho niya sa bridge. Ayun siya, ayun, isa kong kaibigan, si Peter, nagtatrabaho din doon. Yun, ako naman, pupunta ako sa forward, magpapalit ako ng navigation lamp. Samahan nyo ako doon. Doon, ang navigation lamp sa forward. Puntahan natin, navigation lamp at socket at mga fluorescent lights. Welcome to Brazil. Ayun o, kita nyo yung Brazil, napakagandang lugar. Yun ang kanilang kabundukan. Ayun ay flagship. Ayun. Tapos dito, meron ditong bundok. May flagship ulit, siyam na bodega. Flagship din, siyam na bodega. Flagship ulit, siyam na bodega. Ang dami nila. Yun, magandang tanghali mga ka-vloggers. Ito, naglalakad tayo ngayon papunta doon sa forward dahil tayo ay magpapalit ng ilaw. Kaibigan! Ayun o, pero ditong flag ng Brazil. Shout out dyan kaibigan, Brazil. Ayun o. Okay.
Mahirap maghanap ng pera pag siman. Akala nyo madali na.
Agoy! Ang bigat yan! Shout out dyan sa aking third officer na si Jasper. Lugar niya. Anong lugar mo? Kala nyo third officer ha? Paupo lang sa bridge. Ayan o, nagbubuhat yan. Nagbubuhat yan mga kaibigan o. Ano bang tali yan? Ako, akit sa forward. Papalit ako ng ilaw doon. Shout out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Yun. Here we have a very nice weather. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bulk carrier ship with mountains here at Brazil. And as you can see, this is my anchor chain with winches. So now we are going now and proceed to our navigation lamp. It's 110 volts, 60 watts navigation lamp, and we are going to install it now. And the tools we need is the pliers, screws, and some adjustable wrench, and this WD-40. So we are preparing this, and we are going to pull up. Let's go now. We are going up and prepare some of the navigation lamp. So guys, this is my forward mass navigation lamp. As you can see, I use a vice grip to open and use WD-40 with pliers because a little bit is stuck up this holder screw. Using a vice grip, I can easily remove the cover on it. So this is the old navigation lamp on upper part. So this is a 60 watts, 110 volts, 60 hertz. I just replaced it and now it is working properly. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and share.